Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the Market Movers widget in your Edge Desktop app. The Market Movers widget shows you the top active stocks from the trading day. If you do not currently have Edge Desktop installed on your computer, please see the link in the description below to activate the Edge platform and download it. To get started, simply open Edge Desktop and log in with your Questrade account. Once you're logged in, you will notice a row of icons at the top of the screen. Let's go ahead and click the Market Movers icon. You will notice the widget opens to a certain size and position on the screen. Each widget can be resized and moved around to your own preference. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. The widget comes with a few default Market Mover screens. You can choose to view all the US markets or all the Canadian markets by clicking on the tabs in the top left corner. You may also see additional markets by clicking on the plus icon. The All Markets tab displays the top 10% gainers and losers for the day for all North American markets. You can also go into US markets to look at stocks listed on specific US exchanges, like the NYSE or NASDAQ, or go to the Canadian markets to look at stocks solely on the TSX, TSX Venture, or the NEO. The drop-down menu below gives you a list of criteria to sort by. Some of these are top gainers, top losers, top active, above 52-week high, below 52-week low, and more. You may choose to further represent the listed stocks by percentage change or net price change. Clicking the plus sign to the right of the presets brings up more filters you can use. The drop-down allows you to further filter stocks by last price, volume, change in price, change in percentage, and market cap, to name a few. You can also choose to have the criteria set by greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, or less than. After choosing your preferred filters, you can enter a min and max amount as it is set on range by default. You can also click Add to create multiple filters to narrow down your search. Click Apply when you're done and the list of stocks that meet your criteria will populate. You can sort through the results by using any of the columns at the top. By default, it will be sorted by change percent, which shows the daily price change in terms of percentage. You can customize the columns you sort by in the drop-down menu in the top right of the window. Choosing Edit Columns allows you to select which columns you want to see in the chart, and you can also reorder the visible columns. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate Questrade Edge Desktop, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.